right, guys, it's been a while since we've been on the bike here, solo adventure. So I thought, let's do something kind of special. Let's do a little sunset ride to the Golden Gate Bridge. I never even go down this hill either, because it breaks. Beautiful night though. We had a really nice day, and yeah, can't complain. It's gonna get cold when that sun comes down, I know that. So we're gonna try to make it right as we're at the Golden Gate Bridge. It should be sunset. I think it's about 8 minutes here, so we're gonna be a little behind it. Been wanting to film more at dawn and dusk anyways, but it's just cold. That's the only problem with it. It gets cold when that sun goes down. Ooh, ah. Ooh, ah. It's funny, it gets so dark at certain parts. Right now, it looks like the sun has already set. It has not, I promise you. Love this road over here. Super smooth. Super smooth. Thank you. She gave me the old lady way. It was that's the old lady way. Oh, windshield wiper. It's got respect in there, I would hope. That's what I'm gonna go for. Go check out the park. Let's see what COVID is spreading over here. This is usually this is where I'd say San Francisco's biggest COVID problems probably happened right over here about a month or two ago. It was Pate Central over here. Check that out, guys. A little sun setting on that Golden Gate Bridge. I'm better off to actually bicycle. Get some heart rate going. Get some heat going on this bad boy. Yeah. Oh my God, dude, I'm gonna run right into you. Spank, 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 spank. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Not good. Not good. I wouldn't have your little baby out here. I would trust me, but I don't know about that guy, that girl. And then when a situation comes up when the bicyclist has to pass real quick, so, you know, throwing it out there. All right. A little pause for the kids. Thank you. They wouldn't normally pause for you, though. Whoop. Oh, man. I need to get working. Get some blood flow. paying attention. Jesus Christ, man. Here. Watch this lane, kid. Save your life. Helmet. This is where we all pull over. We all pull over and marvel at what it is. Kind of funny. All right, let's put you on that bridge. Gotta pull over, smell the roses. You guys want to see what it's down like below? Freaking beautiful. I'm gonna take you to one of my favorites, guys, and see if we can get some cool drone shots. Finish this video off right here. It's funny, one of our YouTubers that me and the wife watch, they came to, you know, the bridge, and it's such a shocking, cool thing for them to go over. It's kind of funny. It just reminds me like how cool it is, you know? This is cool. I'm never gonna take it for granted. Oh, good, you do that once. Then you know. Take you guys up to the little visitor center up here. center they got here. There's really not much here. Just want a little keychain that says Golden Gate Bridge. And little statue. Man, they got all kinds of new construction going on. They didn't have this before. Here's your lane. Palace. Oh yeah, baby. It's kind of cool. Lights come on at night, and it's pretty crazy. It's like one of the most busiest spots, so this place will be bumping. Kind of cool, guys. If you've ever been to San Francisco, you want to come to the Palace. Built in 1916 for the world's expedition. Pretty cool, huh?
Is that a motorcycle or bike? Bicycle. It's bicycle.
It's a nice bicycle, exactly. It's a Juiced Bikes, California company. Juiced. You can check out their website. They got a few different models. Beautiful. Busy, busy place. We'll be doing a photo shoot. Perfect time at night. Picnic. See, all kinds of stuff going on. Maybe this is the thumbnail, huh? Put a little bit of lights on it. Got to get on your knees for the thumbnails, guys. Anyways, all right, guys. I think I'm gonna try to get some drone shots. So let's take some flight.